I'll do it. No.
Okay. We gotta do it. Okay, so that's your blob.
Oh my goodness.
That's a normal one. You just add a little more egg if you need to. And that's your cover of that. So that's not nearly what I did, but...
Obviously, I'm not going to be able to handle this. I can already tell.
Put it in your mouth.
Okay, put avocado in first. What?
We canceled it all out.
I feel the heat.
It's like really gradual because I'm starting now.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is the flavor was phenomenal.
Yeah.
Like if you were to mix all these three
you
into
can make
one
it like
bottle, it would be like
almost like grab double heat.
It's almost like a chutney spice flavor.
Chutney spice.
Yeah, if you were to mix in some mangoes or some pineapples into that as well, you get that sweetness to it. Oh, it'd be so good. Or like mango jam or mango puree or something.
Okay, so I got a little piece of...
I actually really like
I have not been able to pick up this fucking cucumber the entire time I've been eating. Like, I've tried to get him at least 20 times, I'd say. Okay, so potato, onion. What's that one?
Pepper.
Pepper mushroom, onion, avocado, cucumber, quiche. I need a knife. That's what it is. Like, I don't know how anybody eats with just a fucking fork. It's true. I don't know how people do that. Do you want a napkin at all?
I have a napkin, thank you.
Okay. Oh, God. Yay. Well, kind of yay. I mangled it. I think I'll do another egg.
I'm happy you like it.
I do. This one, what else do we have to torture ourselves with? Do we have any other hot sauce?
No, that's...
Was it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to add this little piece.
This one's going to be... This is going to make it interesting. Well, this can't really be any more interesting. We already made a triple sauce attack one.
Okay, I need you to move that back.
Out of all the ones, though, like all the heat that's left, I just feel it in my lips.
Yeah, I feel it right here.
Yeah,
like,
under my
lips.
lips.
The rim of my lip for some reason. I need more... Excuse me.
Yeah, swishing around the hot sauce in your mouth to get a better taste is definitely makes it last longer. Okay. So this one's like a hot potato. I'll do sriracha one. Good. That's good. I got something in my eye. There we go. There's a hair.
That better?
Yeah. So, what do we feel like doing next? Okay, guys, let me know what you want me to do next. Comment and subscribe below. Hit the left button if you want me to eat this. Right button if you want me to put some more hot sauce on it. Obviously, if any moron in the world was watching at any point, yeah, they're gonna say put on all the hot sauce you got, you fuck. That's what I would do. I'd be like, you fucking put it all on there. Burn your face off for everybody. Oh, I bet. Okay. I love that it cancels itself out at the beginning, but then I know what's gonna happen.
Yeah,
next.
my lips are still like. I need my sriracha though.
I'm gonna go with Jamaican on top and see what the aftermath of the hottest egg one does. On to the triple one. I feel like someone's like using a magnifying glass with the sunlight on my tongue. You know, like just like I feel like just on the middle, like it's like I feel like it's I would name it Jamaican habanero though, habanero. I wouldn't maybe name it the habanero part because I'm not familiar with the habanero. Yeah, but if someone was like, this is just called straight up Jamaican, I'd be like, I get it. I can see. I'd expect this from Jamaica. Southern heat, I'd expect it from southern states. Mexico.
That's more like southern, as in like the tropics.
South tropics.
Louisiana sauce is more of like a vinegary. It's more of a cayenne pepper.
We'll have to try that one too. See what Louisiana people are eating.
We have Louisiana sauce.
It's not on the hot sauce table?
No, it's like the hot sauce from like Popeyes, and we also have the Taco Bell one too. You want me to get your own?
You know what? We'll try the Taco Bell hot sauce and compare it.
There's also the Louisiana. It's all in a little baggie inside on top of the microwave, on top of the tasting there.
Where is it? Inside the baggie on top of the what? Where?
On top of the microwave, on top of the tea thing.
On top of the microwave, on top of the tea, in the bag, on the shelf, next to the what? Oh, it's right here. She just told me he's in the hot sauce bag. All right, we have. Ooh, it's warning. It's hot.
And there's Louisiana sauce in there too.
This one. Louisiana hot sauce. Do you want one of those ones?
No, no.
Alright, we just got, in case we use them, we got one each. Okay. So those are extras in case something goes right. Two for in case something goes wrong. So far, we have sriracha at a 2. Maybe give it a 3. Yeah, maybe 2. 2 or 3. 2.35684 is more accurate. Jamaican habanero is, I'd say like a 6 with the quiche. For whatever reason, it seems to burn your mouth a little more than the Southern Heat on this round. But no, I'm gonna give Southern Heat a 6-2 this round. It kind of really kicked everything up a notch. Let's see what Taco Bell's hot sauce is gonna be like. This is what they have from. This is real Mexican hot sauce. Do you want some of this? Okay, it's on the quiche. It's melting my quiche. Blinded by light. Oh, fuck. Okay, I think I'm gonna need more hot sauce than that to get a good taste of Taco Bell's hot sauce. So let's go ahead and put a little hot sauce on there. Half of it. Okay. Like a 1.
Like a not even spicy.
Yeah, it's like all
Like
vinegar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what this is like too.
It's
got
like
flavor.
flavored
It's got a little
vinegar.
flavor, but it's
Oh,
more
is that what we're in
vinegary.
for?
Yeah. I actually find that one a little bit more spicier than the Taco Bell one.
Okay, well then here we are.
So that one might be a 1 for you.
The whole Popeye's packet on that one. Oh, I have a knife and use my thumb. Okay, we're ready.
Don't dribble over the table.
Do you want to make a wish?
I wish it doesn't burn you.
One.
Yeah, it's
One.
a little bit spicier than
It's
Taco
like
Bell.
steak sauce. That tasted like steak sauce mixed with the... Yeah, it does. Watch. Get a little piece of quiche, Kim.
Oh, I don't need more quiche.
Yeah, try taste that. Think of A1 steak sauce before you put that in your mouth.
Actually, yeah, I can kind of see it.
Yeah, see? It makes you think almost to a sense it might even just be... It tastes like steak sauce.
There's vinegar in it, definitely.
Yeah, that vinegar
Crushed peppers.
down steak sauce-ish. Well... You're gonna drink it like it's a freezy. Well, that's our mukbang for this morning, which is Crustless egg quiche by your Azorian